Here we go. Here we go. My wheels are not going. Is it gonna go off?
Yeah, here goes.
Here we go. All my videos are going off.
The National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you're listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm.
Oh, I don't want. Hang on a second.
From the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test.
This just proves that they're synced together. They are. There's literally no difference as you literally tell by the EAS tone. So this test is joined by a white EAS fan. And I'm EF6 EAS. So we'll definitely see y'all in the next test if I can DX it at 7 p.m. Good morning.
And probably maybe if I can.
Yeah.
Catch Des Moines if I get permission to catch Jen Evans test in Des Moines.
Yeah. Bye.
Here we go, Jen Evans test. Here we go, it's all sitting down.
Oh my god.
Turn it off.
Whoa. No.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm tone on all weather radio stations
What? 12?
in central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota.
Focus, you piece of crap phone.
This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal program. Broadcasting on a Canada forecast.
The stations used was cases in July the cases 65.
And WNG 676.
And the next test will be Des Moines at 7 p.m.
Yep. Alright.
I was joined
By
yet again.
EF6 EAS. And now then we're joined by white EAS fan. Well, y'all see you all in the next test.
It's words. God, that's cool.
Yep, we'll be making this into a compilation.